Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can add music in Snapchat app. Please friends, be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, open the Snapchat app itself. Then you can either first take, let's say, a photo or shoot a video. Then in order to add music, you will need to click on this sign. And then choose music from the list that you are given. Or you can choose the song you want. Enter its title or artist in the search box. In order to listen to the song, you can click on this sign. In this way, as you can see, the music is played. And in order to add music, for example, to your story, photo or video of yours, you will need to click on the name of the song. So as you can see, the song will be added. And next you'll need to click right here. And now you can, friends, such a photo or video with music, send to yourself in the history or to someone personally. And there's another way you can add music. Let's say, if you want to find music first, and then, so to speak, adjust some video or photo to it, you'd have to first, when you go to the Snapchat app, either click on this music sign here, or click on the plus sign, scroll through the menu and find songs. Click on songs. This will take you to a list of songs. You select the one you want. As you can see, the song line appears. You'll be able to listen to it. And now friends, with this song you can, for example, make a video. And as you can see, you get a video with music or a photo with music. And then you send it either to a particular person in Snapchat or to your history. This is the simple and very quick method, friends, to add music to Snapchat. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment. See you soon.